Hello. Today what I'm going to do is show a simple waterfall for photos. And since I have 7 photos here and they're all portrait mode, so the waterfall is going to go this direction. These photos are 4x6. So to figure out what size, depending upon your photo size. So this is 4x6. I want a mat on the sides of these. So that would be 4.5 by 6.5. But then you also want to cut another 1/2 inch this direction so that you can have the flap onto the page. Now, if the photos were portrait or landscape, it would just go on the page this way. It's the same principle. So you cut 7 pieces or however many photos you have. You can probably get 8 or 9. You could probably get more if you did less of a flap here. But this is the way I'm doing it. So you fold at the 1/2 inch, and I have 7 pieces. So this is the first piece, and I centered it on the page where I wanted it after I put a border on the page. And these all have adhesive on them, so it can go quicker. So you want to butt it up edge to edge to the one before it. So right about there. Sorry, my head might get in the way doing this. Okay, so there's the second one. Then we have the third one. Adhesive on it already. And want it centered top to bottom. And I'm using red line tape for it. You could also glue this. You want something secure because this is going to be moving. And then this one is next. And so to figure out the whole length of what the waterfall will be, it will be basically so this is 4.5 plus a 1/2 inch for 7, so it's 3.5 by 4.25. 4.25, yeah. So it's 775 will be the whole width, and then I subtracted it from the 12 to get it even. And then the next one goes on. Usually I put my head right over this so I can see it. Make it even. Hopefully it is. It might be slanting a little for me. It's okay. It's fine. It's all fine. We're almost there. Trying to get it in there. And the last one. Now I'm going to journal on the back side of these. This tape's really sticky. I'm going to do add some journaling on the back, probably with Anna's journaling tags, so I can talk about these. Yeah, see, I got it off a little bit, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. So I'm going to put the photos on just with my tape runner. And whatever tape runner you use should be acid free if you want the photos to last. So this was in Giverny, and there was an artist studio that was behind, that the lady that owned the Body Hotel, yeah, Baudy Hotel, all the artists used to gather there, and she set up this little studio behind their the hotel, and they would make their things there, and you can go in and see it. It's kind of cool, you know, that they've maintained it. Okay, now when you're centering like this second one, go to this edge, not this edge, but this edge. Okay. Now this was another gate near that property that I really kind of liked. It was my kind of colors. Actually, I wish I could be that bold in gate colors. Huh. That would be nice. Okay, this just kind of center, as Anna says, top to bottom, left to right. And journaling again. This is another shot of Monet's pond. The reflections in that pond are just incredible. And if you ever get a chance to go, or if you've been, you know what I'm talking about. So this centered on here. And this is Linda, who, a friend here, and this is Colette, who we traveled a little bit with her after we left the painting group and went to Paris with her. But she, very, very interesting lady. Linda had the salad. Look at how big the salad was. And Colette and I both had duck confit, and it was pretty yummy. I'm not usually a duck person, but... And the water in France was always good. Didn't have to worry about it. Now this picture is one of the instructors, Teresa Gosling. And yeah, this was in front of the Body Hotel, which that's where we ate lunch that day, but we ate across the street. They had outdoor tables. And because it was pretty crowded inside there. And then this was 2 other members. And the reason I'm saving this picture is we went into this hat shop. I bought a hat. A lot of people bought hats there. I didn't get a beret. I got a sun hat because they had cuter ones than I took with me. So anyway, good trip. And here's the last one. And then I will decorate this page and do the journaling on it. But that's your basic instructions for a waterfall. And you can add as many as you want based on the size of your photos. I think it looks better with a mat on it. But that's up to you. So I hope this helps some of you. Thank you.